In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Sheets and Google Calendar using Google Apps Script. This is a powerful way to automate tasks between these two versatile tools. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to effortlessly get, create, and update events, syncing your sheet data with your calendar seamlessly. We'll begin by preparing your Google Sheet to ensure it's structured correctly. This is a crucial step. To create events, you'll need to set up your sheet with 4 columns: event ID, title, start date and time, and end date and time. Having the right structure in place will allow for a smooth integration, so take a moment to organize your data accordingly. Next, open your Google Sheet and navigate to the script editor. To do this, click on Extensions in the menu and then select Apps Script. It's common to see some starter code there, but you can go ahead and delete this to make room for the new script we'll be using. Now it's time to introduce you to a basic script that will handle getting, creating, and updating events. In a moment, you'll see the code displayed on your screen, so feel free to pause the video and copy it. This script is the backbone of the integration, enabling communication between Google Sheets and Google Calendar. After copying the script into your editor, save the project. Saving is important before attempting to run any functions. It helps avoid losing your code. Next, you'll want to click on Run and follow the prompts to grant permissions. Granting permissions is an essential step, as it allows your script to access and manage both your Google Sheet and Calendar. Once permissions are granted, return to your Google Sheet and start adding event data. For example, you might enter a title along with the start and end dates and times for each event you wish to create or update. This data will be the foundation for your calendar entries. When your data is ready, you can run the Create Events function to add these new events to your calendar. If you need to make updates to existing events, simply use the Update Events function. This flexibility allows you to keep your calendar entries current and reflective of any changes you make in your sheet. To ensure everything is synchronized, use the Get Events function to pull data from your calendar back into your sheet. This step is particularly useful for verifying that your events on the calendar align with your entries in the spreadsheet, providing a comprehensive view of your schedule. By following these steps, you'll have a robust integration that streamlines your workflow. Enjoy the simplicity and efficiency of having your Google Sheets and Google Calendar work together, and feel free to revisit any part of this video if you need clarification as you progress.